Now, almost a month after an IPS officer was killed for taking on the illegal mining mafia in Madhya Pradesh's Morena district, an NDTV special investigation revealed it's back to business as usual despite promises on the contrary by the state administration. NDTV's Siddharth Ranjan reports on how illegal mining flourishes with political patronage.
No tractors laden with stone or sand, a most unusual sight on the roads of Morena, where 174 cases of illegal mining and transportation were registered in the last year. By this time, one would have spotted nearly 50 such tractors on these roads, but a lot has changed now.
Since the killing of the IPS officer Narendra Kumar Singh, tractor trolley carrying sandstone has become a rare sight on the roads of Morena. The authorities here have intensified their checks to curb illegal mining and are also now checking stone cutting units like these across the district. Our sources in the administration tell us that each and every stone cutting unit has stored more than 2 to 3 times of stone that they have declared to them.
After the IAS officers killing, nearly 100 stone cutting units in Morena were checked for the first time and declared defaulters. The stone miners access these units using transit passes and sell stones for anywhere between Rs 5,000 to 25,000. Our sources tell us that these units also buy illegally mined stones at throwaway prices and send it to exporters in Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai at much more than their 10% profit. But the authorities deny it.
पत्थर में हमारे 132 खदानें सैंक्शन हैं जो पूरे मोरेना जिले में,
लेकिन उससे बहुत ज़्यादा उत्खनन हो रहा है सर?
नहीं, जो हमारे अकॉर्डिंग टू रेगुलेशंस है उसके अकॉर्डिंग से माइनिंग हो रही है।
इलीगल माइनिंग का 100% रूल आउट कर रहे हैं, हो रहा ही नहीं है।
नहीं, जो हमारे केस संज्ञान में आती है उस पर कार्रवाई करते हैं।
As we travel to the interiors of Morena, we realize that illegal mining thrives. These fresh blocks of stone are the evidence. Only the cranes and other machines have disappeared from the spot. But in our 10 km drive into the interiors, we could not spot a single official near the mines. Is it part of a large cover-up?
कौन सी कम्युनिटी जो ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व है अवैध उत्खनन में यहाँ पे और जिसको संरक्षण ये लोग देते हैं?
ज़्यादातर तो गुर्जर कम्युनिटी है।
नेता कौन है सर यहाँ के जो बीजेपी कांग्रेस के आप कह रहे हैं? 1-2 नेताओं के नाम बताएंगे जो कर रहे हैं ये।
अब कांग्रेस और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग हैं।
Earlier in this month, BJP's Morena Vice President Hamir Patel was arrested for illegal mining, and Congress MLA Andal Singh Kansana's son Kaptan Singh got bail last week in a 2010 case where he, along with 12 armed men, allegedly took away a seized truck from outside a police station. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Illegal mining is flourishing in connivance with politicians, but no one is willing to name them. With Siddharth Ranjan Das, Upendra Gautam and camera person Rizwan Khan in Morena, Amitod Singh for NDTV.